Stocks and news. For that, let's go to our researchers, Navneet and Yatin. Navneet, as always, you go first.
Morning, Nikunj. Keep an eye on ONGC in today's trading session as company's oil field in Venezuela that has started production. Well, it is a joint venture named Petro Carabobo, which is a joint venture with the international subsidiary OVL set up in June 2010. Well, that has started production, that particular oil field. If you look at the projection for the output from this particular oil field in the first phase, they're expecting the production to be about 30,000 barrels of oil per day, and going on to phase 2, the projection is about 90,000 barrels of oil per day, and the final projection from this particular oil field is about 4 lakh barrels of oil per day. So keep an eye on ONGC in today's trading session. If you look at the stock, it has been doing quite well. The 1-month return has been about 9%, and currently the stock is trading above its 20-day moving average. And moving on to the auto major, keep an eye on Tata Motors in today's trading session, as JLR in its press release has said that the numbers for the 2012, the sales number rose by about 30%, and it has said China has surpassed the UK market, becoming the largest market for JLR. It has also said in its statement that they see sales growing in this particular year, that is 2013, and they will be adding about 800 jobs to support the development of new models. And if you look at the sales number for 2012, JLR sold about 3.57 lakh units in 2012, and if you look at the counter, it touched its 52-week high on 10th of January. It's doing quite well, so keep an eye on Tata Motors too in today's trading session.
Okay, Navneet, we'll leave it at that. Meantime, let's bring in Yatin as well to chat about the mid and small caps in news today. Yatin.
Well, Aisha, keep an eye on MCX and financial technologies because the Consumer Affairs Ministry has written to the Finance Ministry not to levy any kind of a commodity transaction tax when it comes to the commodity trading in the future and the secondary market. Now, clearly, the Consumer Affairs Ministry has been opposing any kind of a levy of the commodity transaction tax, which is a positive for companies like MCX as well as financial technologies who have holding interest in the exchanges. But if you talk about the Finance Ministry, they have written to the FMC, which is the market regulator for the commodity markets, that what could be the exact impact of CTT, and that should be given in a written communication by the market regulator to the Finance Ministry. So the Finance Ministry, despite an letter coming in from the Consumer Affairs Ministry, has gone forward and asked the FMC to basically study the impact of CTT. Let's see how the stocks like MCX and financial technologies react to this particular news bit. Also, we have ABG Shipyard, and in the Vibrant Gujarat conference, the company has announced the investment plans of close to 5,000 crores. The company would be setting up a greenfield project along the Gujarat coastline in 3 phases. Also, the shipyard ABG is planning to expand its Dahej and Magdala facilities and will be investing 2,000 crores into it. The stock has been, really doing well in the last 7-8 trading session. Let's see, how the stock reacts after these expansion plans coming in from the management.